Hello, I am Dinesh Kumar Gupta, Professor of Library and Information Science and also Director Research at Vardhman Mahavir Open University, Kota in Rajasthan. I propose a 15-week course on using information communication technologies for research, which is of transdisciplinary in nature. As you know, ICT has drastically changed the volume of information outputs as well as flow of information with the change in format, wider access and ease in use. No part of research and scholarship escaped from the technological interventions. The objectives of the course are to make the postgraduate and research students aware of the ICT in education and research, to impart knowledge about ICT tools, resources and services applicable to research, to enable the learners to use ICT tools, resources and services in pursuing their research from identification of topic to the dissemination of research results. The course would cover and briefly entail how ICT is impacting present day researches. It would broadly impart knowledge of finding and searching information, e-resources, web-based services for researchers and web-based tools for research. It would focus on how to find information and information resources on the chosen area, searching strategies about search engines, directories and gateways. It will also cover abstracting and indexing databases, online full text databases, online journals, open access journals, OERs and MOOCs, citation index databases, etc. The concept of web-based services provided by various libraries, web portals and databases such as services from databases of electronic thesis, institutional repositories, e-archives, web scale discovery services, digital libraries, video archives, etc. will be described. Various web-based tools like online questionnaires, research data management, statistical analysis, grammar and summary making or paraphrasing, tagging and microblogging, plagiarism checking, data sharing and collaborative writing, reference management, presentation and visualization would also be dealt in this course. The course is designed for the students pursuing their masters and opted for dissertation and or paper on research methodology, and also for the students pursuing MPhil, PhD coursework. However, anyone who has interest in use of information communication technology for research is welcome to join the course. The course would have about 30 units, and for each unit there would be video, text, objective type questions, learn more and review questions, and would be deliverable in 15 weeks on week-to-week basis. The learners will have opportunities to interact with the teachers and peer learners by way of discussion forum, live chat and emails. We hope that learners will have a great learning opportunity through this course. So, this video is submitted for the consideration of the committee members for review for launch of the new MOOC using information communication technologies for research. Thank you very much.